Typically, there are two ways to know what component your PC has, and don't worry, neither of them involve disassembling the equipment. This time, we are going to find out what motherboard your equipment has, whether it's a laptop, a gaming PC, or a basic PC. The first method is to use a small command called dxdiag. To run this command, we are going here to run. This opens with Windows R, and here we write the command. We write dxdiag. We click Accept, and once it's loaded, this window will appear. Here we had got information, but what we're interested in is what size system manufacturer. As you can see here, it's SAI MicroStar International, which are the initial of MCI, and we have a reference that SAI ME7C51. Now, this doesn't tell us much, but if we go to a Google window and share it, the following will appear. Here we read the reference of the motherboard. M is the IG7C51, and as you will see, it's indicated that is an MCE A320MA Pro, and that is the first method. Now the next method, which is just as easy, is the following. We will close here, minimize, close, and go to shares bar. Here we're going to write system information. This one open here that appears. We click and this window will open. This window contains a lot of information about our computer, but in this case, to know what the motherboard is, we go here where it says motherboard manufacturer. Here it appears again MicroStar International, and if we scroll down a little more, we will see that it says baseboard product. Here the references appears. It says A320MA Pro, and this way we can know where it's or what components our PC has. Thanks for watching and see you next time.